Did you know that one of history's greatest breakthroughs in human wisdom came from a man locked away in a cave? In 1508, Wang Yangming was a Chinese general who dared to stand up to corruption. His punishment? Exile to a freezing cave in the mountains. For 3 years, he studied ancient texts alone in harsh conditions. Most people would have broken, but Wang had a realization that changed everything. He discovered that knowledge without action is completely useless. Think about it. You can read 1,000 books about swimming, but until you jump in the water, you know nothing about swimming. Wang called this unity of knowledge and action. True wisdom only exists when you immediately apply what you learn to real life. This insight made him one of China's most effective military leaders and government officials. He proved that philosophical wisdom makes you better at practical things when you unite knowing and doing. The lesson? Stop collecting knowledge like trophies. Start applying what you learn immediately, because wisdom without action is just entertainment.